Hello world, Joel Murglot here from Merritt Ford, wanting to introduce you to a 2022 F-150. That's right folks, this 5-liter is jam-packed full of power and features. Follow me while I show you everything about this truck. Over here it's got a spray-in box liner, 4-wheel drive with the step ladder. Look how easy it was to get in this box. Set my coffee down on this nice little console. Fire this baby up. 5-liter V8. 75,000 kilometers on this truck. 4x4 options. It's got the trailer brake options, your cruise control, rubber floor mats in the back as well as up front here. This is a 6-passenger, so someone can ride right beside me here, and obviously the seat for shotgun. I always think these 6-passenger bench seats are nice for the drive-in, so you get nice and close. Did you know that there's hidden storage here? I really like that feature. And you just simply push a button. See how easy it is when you got two hands? We got some great power functions here for your charging capabilities. Nice big display here for your backup camera. It's going to tell you exactly where you're going. Really like that feature. Throw her back and park so I don't run over anyone. Another thing is, before you go, if you want to just have a quick check around, push that button and it displays what's behind you as well. That's a really nice safety feature. Come on down to Merritt Ford. This truck's available. Again, 75,000 kilometers on it. Really excellent condition. 306-453-4444. Call or text us. Love to hear from you. My knees hurt.